So we'll be doing today's POTD. Today is 24th October and the POTD is next greater numerically balanced number. So we have an integer x which is numerically balanced if for every digit d in the number x there are exactly d occurrences of that digit in x. So for example 2 is balanced because there are only two occurrences of 2. 133 is balanced because there is one occurrence of 1 and three occurrences of 3. Given an integer n, we have to return the smallest numerically balanced number that is strictly greater than n. Okay, cool. So how can we do this? So basically, if we choose to have a number, then we ought to have so there. Okay, so there are um, so numerically balanced numbers from 1 to 9 are like this, right? And then again it's like 555, and then we can have 6. So there are basically 9 numbers, right? So we can easily you know what we can do is probably just see what we want to form, right? So technically we want a number that is greater than 1000, so we start with a 1 and then we add a 333 so that it becomes greater than 1000. A number that is greater than 3000, we use 3133. Okay, so basically what we can do is we can see digits. So 3000 has 4 digits and is starting with 3, so we know that we have to go with a 3. Mm-hmm. So n is 10 to the power 6. So 1e6 is like 1 followed by 6 zeros, so we can have 7 of them, and then we can just try to formulate something, because they also just have 7 digits or something, like 1 followed by 5 and 9. So it can easily be done in one way, like we can check. We can make a function boolean, which is check if good number string b equals or basically we can also form a vector of integers. Do we even need this? I think we don't. So we can divide that and then we'll have the frequencies, and we'll just go throughout the entire array and then just check if f of 0 is not equals to basically f of I is not equals to I, then we return a false, else we return a true. And then what we can do is basically Okay. Okay, if f of I is not equal to 0, this should work. Yep. So we can do this like this. It's a brute force solution. I know there must be some better solutions, but this is how we can do a brute force, because there aren't any, a lot of numbers, and they occur very fast. So yeah, this can be done. That's all for today.